Hello, people of the internet. Welcome to my new video. In this video, I will be creating a wonderful game from scratch in Unity 2D. So I'll just pick 2D. We're gonna call this My Great Game. Shit. Yeah, we'll leave it like that for now. Let's create it. Alright. Okay, after 12 years, Unity has finally loaded. Alright, so I'm going to start off by importing a few pre-made sprites that I have ready to go. This is Red Guy. Import him. And the other one is Blue Guy. Import him. Alright, so I think what we have to do is make a floor first, right? So I'm going to go to Assets, Create. Whoa, that's too much. What I meant to do is 2D Object, Sprite, New Sprite. We're gonna make this shit, I didn't think this through. We're gonna make it a UI. You know what, I can do this in a better way. I don't need these sprites. We're gonna do 2D object, and then I'm gonna put down, oh my god, is it gonna make me use this? Fine. I'm used to old Unity. I literally just started using a new Unity, so I don't know anything about this. But we're gonna make it that, because we're quirky around here. Or maybe, do I have to make my own square? So, alright, you know, we're gonna start with Blue Guy and Red Guy. So we're actually gonna make this Red Guy. Beautiful. And I'm gonna add a rigid body 2D to him. Good. And I'm also gonna add a box collider 2D. So this is a good start to my game. I think we can do our first ever test run of the new game. Beautiful. Up next, I think we need to do our wonderful Blue Guy. So we'll move Red Guy over here because we don't want him right now. Should also probably fix his box collider, but that's to come. Oh, how could I forget? Red Guy. Alright, up next we've got Blue Guy. So what I like to do in this situation is copy, paste, and then do, Blue Guy. Alright, now all we have to do is change the sprite. It's Blue Guy. Beautiful. This just really quickens the process. I thought I changed that. Blue Guy. Enter. Okay, there we go. So we're gonna move Blue Guy to this side, and I forgot to change box collider, but that's not important right now. What's important is that we get our floor going, because obviously the point of this requires them to move, and unless they're floating, they can't move. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to physics. Nope, not what I meant. Shit. Create. Once again, not what I meant to do. We're gonna go to 2D object, and we're gonna do tile map. Yeah. No, never mind. We're not gonna do tile map. We're going to do 2D object, and we're gonna make a sprite shape. Whoa. Alright, so this is gonna be our floor. It's gonna look like that. It's gonna go all the way across. And yeah, so now we just have to add box collider. And that's it. And now, let's watch as the magic happens.
What?
I think I forgot to do something. So apparently, let's see what this looks like. Yeah, that's correct. So rigid body box collider. Uh huh. Is there is there? Am I not doing something right here? Do I need a material? No. I mean, they just kind of floated through it. This new Unity stuff is weird, dude. What does that symbol mean? I don't get it. Controller script? We don't. Get rid of fuck. There we go. That should fix it, right? Nope. It just nope. Okay, so what I'm seeing is whatever this is a piece of crap, and I can do better. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make my own sprite. And to do this, I think it's only fair that I go into GIMP and I make the greatest sprite possible in GIMP. So let's do File, New. We're gonna make this 10 by 10. Perfect. Save file, save as. Let's go to desktop and no, not save, I meant export. Export. Let's go back to desktop and we're going to call this block. Okay, let's go back here. We have block, so let's import it. Import new asset block.png, and I think now what we can do is add new sprite. We're going to change this one to block. Okay. Whoa, what is this thing? I don't need that in my life. I have block. Alright, and so how this is gonna work is we're gonna find a way to resize it. Let's go scale. Boom. Let's scale it up on that axis too. And then now we can just do this to fit the border. Okay, so there we go. And now we add box collider 2D to this one. And if my calculations are correct, this should work perfectly. Yes, I finally did it, guys. Okay. Up next, I think we should let's fix the size of the box collider to really let's make it a little less thick. Make it fit fit their size a bit more. Good enough. Let's go to this guy. We're gonna do the same to him. It's kind of I think the blue guy's slightly thinner. Maybe they're the same size. I don't know. That looks great. One of them's gonna be slightly off the ground, but I think those are good by my standards. So, all right, what's next? I think up next, it's time to add a script. Add component, new script. We're gonna call this Big Man Moves. All right, so Big Man Moves. Let's open up this script. Okay. I remember to hit record, right? Okay, good. That'd have been a little awkward. Just record this whole video. Or not record this whole video, I mean. So this is where the fun stuff happens. Oh, okay, I didn't even have to close it. Fancy. So, if I remember correctly, I can do move horizontal equals get axis. No, I honestly don't remember this dot get axis. Oh boy. I'll be right back. I'm just gonna do a little bit of wizardry real quick. Okay, welcome back everybody. After an eventful trip to the restroom and writing this code, I have finally put together a good script for movement. So, okay, so we're gonna go to the red guy, and we're gonna, alright, get ready for this. This is some impressive stuff. We're gonna create a tag for him, and we're gonna call it red. Okay? Wait. Yeah, we'll okay. And then we're gonna go over to our blue guy over here. We're gonna give him a tag called blue. Alright. We're gonna have to increase the speed here, and I'm gonna actually have to put the script on him. We're gonna give, I think I like the blue guy. I'm gonna give him 10 because I like him that much. And we're gonna give him a blue tag. Now I have to go back into the script and change this to its much more efficient counterpart, and same with this. Save that up, and that's GIMP, not Unity. Alright, so we've got that. What am I missing here? Am I even missing? Oh, right. We have to go to Edit, Project Settings, Input Manager, and we're gonna get rid of that. A, D. And we're gonna get rid of that, right? Okay. And we're gonna come to vertical and do the same thing here. S, W. Gone. Alright. Now we're going to gonna duplicate this, call it horizontal 2, and change this to left, and this to right. I'm sure there's probably 14 better ways of doing this, but I'm doing it my way, kind of like Frank Sinatra did his thing his way. Wait, hold on a second. Okay, I think that's correct, right? We'll see. So that's vertical 2. Yep. Okay. Let's give her a go. I think my new game is coming along great. What do you guys think? We have movement in one of them. Can you go up? No. Can you go? The other guy, Mr. Red over here, clearly is untagged. I knew that. Boom, they both have movement. Go. Shove them off the, shoot. Alright, so I think we have a great base game. One guy shoves the other off the edge. It's kind of like a speed thing, you know? I'm still recording, right? Yep. Okay, so one guy shoves the other guy off the edge. I think that's what my main goal was. Right? Yeah. Alright, so up next I think we need a background for this. So I have a kind of I know I'm cheating a little bit here, but don't look at that. It's not my other project. Don't worry about it. It's not another girl bay. Okay, so I have this one. It's kind of a pre-made asset, I know. I made it myself though, don't worry. I thought this was kind of a fitting background for my game, because it's on the level of Minecraft. I mean, Craft Mine, that's not Minecraft. Don't sue me. So there we have Craft Mine background, because that's how good this game is. And I think we have the core mechanics down. I mean, I don't think there's much else I could hope for in a game like this. Like, ooh, look at that stalemate. That's impressive. Ready for this? Blue's not going down like that. Ooh, maybe. Ooh, look at this. Look at this. Red's backing him down. Is Red gonna win? Red gonna win against the faster one? Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy, Red. Come on, bro. You got this. No, Red. Keep fighting. Keep fighting. Go, Red. Red did it. No, red. Idiot. Where was I? Alright, I think what we need now is some sound effects. So, I think the hit sound effect is very important for a game like this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do, it's gonna be like a pain sound effect. Og! Og! I like it. So that'll be the sound effect they make when they collide into each other. So let's just export that as a... We're gonna do WAV because that's always the best way to export your audio, I think. It's better than MP3, in my opinion, better than FLAC. And we're gonna name it pain.wav. Artist name, DG Rons, track title, Pain, album title, great game, track number, 1, year, 2020, genre, game music, comments, very painful. Okay, so we've exported that. I think we can implement it into our wonderful game now. So we're just going to go to import new asset and pain.wav. Let's just give it a quick play for the fun of it. Oh lord. Og! But you know what? I don't like it. I changed my mind. We're going to select our audio here. And we're just gonna amplify it a bit. It's a bit too quiet for my taste. What? What? I don't even know what it... Select the audio? I did select the audio. Oh, I see. Effect, amplify. We're just gonna bring this up a few notches. Loud clipping. Og! I love it. Let's export this WAV again. And we're just gonna write over that. Yep. Yes. It's all good. Alright, back to Unity. Let's get rid of that BS. We don't want that in our lives. Import new asset. Og! Much better. Alright, so now we have to figure out how to add this to red guy and blue guy every time they collide. So I think the best way to do this would be an audio, I don't remember anymore. I think it's a audio source, yes. Audio clip is gonna be our one and only pain. Let's see what happens if we put it on loop. Og! Og! Wonderful, but not what we're looking for. I'll have another soundtrack on loop after this. Believe me, it'll be much better. Alright, so that's all. Let's decrease the pitch a bit because they're in pain, you know. See how that sounds. It didn't play. I forgot to hit loop. Of course. That is not what I'm looking for. Discord, yes. I'm making a video game better than Duck Game. Give me like 5 minutes. Alright, sorry about that rude interruption. So audio clip, I'm gonna have to kind of speed run this, so let's get rid of the loop now. So I'm not entirely sure how to make this on Collision, but we're gonna figure it out together, I promise. So do I need like another collider? I don't think I need another one. No, that would be ridiculous. Impossible. Give me a second while I figure this out. Okay, welcome back. As you can see, I have figured out how to do this. So I will bring you along for the fun coding part. So, as you can see, I've added a public audio source, ow. I've set it equal to the audio source on the actual game object. And now I'm going to make it so if this dot tag is equals red and collision dot tag dot game object dot tag is equal to blue, then do this. I'm gonna be honest, I don't think this code works. Maybe I need double and. Nope. Let's see. Cannot be applied to operands of type Boolean and string. What does and say? Okay, so for some reason I can't. I guess. Wait, what if I do dot game object dot tag? Nope. Let me think real quick. Operator and. I'm smart. Okay, I did way too much for very little. But hopefully, it'll work. Alright, I need an audio source on the blue guy too. Alright.
Dog. Dog.
I have no idea what the hell just happened. Oh wait, one of them has a very low pitch. That's right, I forgot about that. I like it. I kind of like it that way. I'm not gonna lie.
Dog. Dog.
I just remembered something. I never did the vice versa. So now let's do if this is blue and this is red. Wait, red. Alright, so
Dog. 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 Dog.
I'm not gonna lie.
Dog.
Only one audio source is currently playing. Let's see.
Dog.
No!
Dog.
I don't get it. I really don't. But you know what? This is fine. You wanna know why this is fine? Because there's only two players that collide. So, I think what we need to do is we need to do the same thing. We don't need two audio sources. Get this out of here. Get this out of here. Well, I should not play it all now. Hit each other. Genius. Okay, so I think what we need next is some good background music. Okay? So, what I was thinking was Take On Me, but it's like retro style. So, you'll see what I mean. Perfect. Okay, so we're going to want to cut off the excess fat here to make it smooth. Do. So what we're going to want to do here is change the pitch. So change pitch to let's raise it quite a bit. That was not raising it. That was not raising it at all. Too much. It's, we're gonna go up to G. Too little. We need to change it one more time. Make it. That was not what I meant to do. I meant to. What about an E? Maybe. Perfect. We're gonna change. We're gonna need to add a little bit more layer to it, I think. I don't know how yet. I think we're just going to duplicate this entire track. It's just gonna go rate. No, not the. I don't want to rate it. I'm not entirely sure how to duplicate tracks. I haven't used Audacity that much. So we're gonna right click it. Nope, not quite. Edit. Duplicate. Edit. Duplicate. Yes. And now we're gonna change the pitch of this one to be lower. Even lower. Perfect. Let's do that again. Now we're gonna make this one kind of in the middle. We're gonna go to change pitch again. We're gonna make this one like that. It's not noticeable. Oh shit! I see what I did there. I'm gonna do that. Whoa! Not what I meant to do. Control Y. I had them both selected. That's why I didn't change this one. Or it did change this one, but I didn't change it the right way. Boom. Still not enough. Change pitch, make it a little bit. Yeah. You know what? It's good enough. File, save, or no, export as WAV. We're gonna make this great game soundtrack.wav. Yeah, that's okay. Great game. This is track number 2. Very good. Okay. Back into Unity now. I think we have a great soundtrack going. So I think if we just I think all we need to do now is make an audio, just create an audio source in there. And we're going to make this a soundtrack. Okay, and loop. To be honest, I'm not hearing much pain come from these guys. Did I screw this up? I mean, it said I should be able to use multiple audio sources at the same time, right? Just turn on bypass all, I guess. That's the only thing I can do. Right? I mean, Oh, I see what's happening. Why do they reset the audio every time? I'm confused. I'm flabbergasted. I'm not sure what's going on. This is throwing me for a loop. Get it? Because I made the soundtrack. Loop. Yeah. So what am I doing wrong here? The answer is Google again. Maybe I need an audio listener. Maybe that's been my... Okay guys, I think I may have figured it out. And I'm gonna be honest, all I did was get rid of the clip equals owl. So it's been more than 5 minutes, hasn't it? Anyways, I think we have a pretty solid base game here. Let's test it out.
Dog.
You know, I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. I put a lot of great effort into creating this game, and I am very proud of it, and I'm sure you guys feel the same way. So, thank you for watching, and see you next time.